Today, we will be looking at some more of the awesome talent that came to our audition.
I set fire to the rain and not to us into the face. When it felt something now, but I knew that there was a last time.
They were all hoping to be part of the 10 chosen emerging artists for the RAIN project.
You have the gift, you've got the abilities, you've got the skills. All you need now is commitment and just a drive to see you reach the next level in your music.
It was a hot day and our team of judges were quite impressed by the quality performances. However, that did not make the selection easier.
I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. 'Cause if I do, girl, it's you, oh, it's you they add up to.
Bro, keep doing what you love doing. Keep singing. Don't let it stop here at this stage, whatever happens in the RAIN project, but keep pushing yourself.
There was one particular song that seemed quite popular at the time, presented with varying success.
You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you.
Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. You give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I'm losing, winning, I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Doris. It's Doris. How old are you?
15.
15. Oh, okay. You just blew me away.
You have a gift, and wherever you go, they need to hear it, right? So you have something special. So don't be afraid to share your gift with people, whoever needs to hear it, because you're gonna change lives and touch lives through your gift.
La 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 la. The rumors flew, but nobody knew how much she blamed herself.
Everybody's trying to be a billionaire, and every time I look at you I just don't care. 'Cause all I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, is somebody to you.
I believe you can go back and really continue to work harder.
And I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright.
During the song, you changed the key, changed like maybe 4 or 5 times, and that doesn't usually happen in a song.
There were also some outstanding performances in Itaukei language.
Narumay sota Yasaya sawakara Tuson ang nauna Magkamasabi sa umay Darube awaki tu Kuwakaray takang ay kimura kandina Bulong-bulong borobula
maindo mona, bulum bulum borobula, no maindo mona.
You definitely brought something beautiful from Bades today. No, there's a lot of artists out there who sing in that genre and that style, but I hear something different in your arrangements. I want to ask you, what do you see yourself in as an artist? Where do you see yourself in 2 years' time from now, 3 years' time? What are your dreams or aspirations?
I want to record all my songs that have been written.
Awesome, awesome.
I see you as one of the potential participants of Rain Project.
Draw me nearer, my rock, my deliverer. Ooh, draw me nearer, ooh, my rock, my deliverer.
You actually have the whole artist package. You have the look, you have the voice, you have the passion, you have everything it takes to be an established artist.
I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Well, some have it, and others just need to practice a bit more.
'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show what you're worth. Gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, because I like the way it hurts.
The Rain Project intends to encourage young people to be the best in whatever field they are talented.
The science has said that 10,000 hours, if you put in 10,000 hours of practice at any music, any instrument or whatever, you'll become a professional.
The challenge of the judges was now to determine who would make the cut to the next round. Stay tuned, because after the break, we find out how globalization can affect young people's lives, and we see Elena testing some of the applicants' commitment in a personal interview. Let it rain.